Hello, my dear friends, and welcome. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Today I'm wandering through the beautiful little town of Oberammergau, nestled quietly in the Bavarian Alps, and it's one of those perfect autumn days that feels almost unreal. The sun is shining softly, not too bright, just enough to warm your face, and the air feels crisp and clean, like it's been freshly washed by the mountains. Oberammergau is a very small town, the kind of place where nothing feels rushed and every corner seems to invite you to pause for a moment. You can already sense that this will be a short walk, but one filled with charm and little details that make you smile. The kind of walk that doesn't need to be long to feel meaningful. There's a cozy storybook feeling here, as if the town itself is quietly welcoming us, saying, "Take your time." And that's exactly what I plan to do today. Just walking, observing, breathing in the autumn air, and sharing this peaceful moment with you. So settle in, get comfortable, and let's enjoy this gentle stroll together, one step at a time. The weather today honestly couldn't be more perfect. The sun is shining softly above me, warming my face just enough, while the air stays cool and refreshing. Not too hot, not too cold, just that beautiful balance that makes walking feel effortless. It's the kind of weather where you don't think about the temperature at all, because your body feels completely at ease. As I move through the streets, I take slow breaths, and the air feels so pure, almost sweet, as if the mountains themselves are lending their calm to the town below. Days like this make everything feel lighter, quieter, more peaceful. The mountains surrounding Oberammergau are absolutely majestic. They rise gently yet powerfully in the distance, watching over the town like silent guardians. Their slopes are touched with autumn colors, hints of gold, rust, and deep green, and they make the whole place feel protected, almost embraced. As I continue strolling through Oberammergau, this feels like the perfect moment to talk about the heart and soul of this town, its history, and especially the story that made it famous around the world, the Oberammergau Passion Play. This is not just a performance here. It's a promise, a tradition, and a deeply emotional part of the town's identity. The very first Passion Play was performed back in 1634, during a time when fear and illness filled Europe. According to local legend, the bubonic plague reached Oberammergau when a man returned home for Christmas, unknowingly bringing the disease with him. The plague spread quickly, and the village found itself facing unimaginable loss. In their desperation, the villagers made a vow, a heartfelt promise, that if God spared them from the plague, they would perform a passion play every 10 years, forever. And according to tradition, after that vow was made, something extraordinary happened. Not a single additional resident of Oberammergau died from the plague. Those who were already sick are said to have recovered. Whether one sees this as faith, miracle, or legend, the story still carries a powerful sense of hope and unity. It's deeply moving to think about an entire community coming together, bound by fear, belief, and an unbreakable promise that has lasted for centuries. Today, the Passion Play is performed in years, ending with a 0, continuing this centuries-old vow. Over time, history has left its mark. Some performances were postponed or canceled due to war, hardship, or global events, like the 2020 play, which was delayed until 2022 because of the COVID-19 pandemic. Yet, even through all of that, the tradition survives. What makes it even more special is that over 2,000 people take part. Actors, singers, musicians, technicians, and every single one of them is a resident of this small town. Imagine that neighbors, friends, families, all stepping into the same story together. As I walk these quiet streets, it's impossible not to feel that history beneath my feet. Not in a heavy way, but in a warm, comforting one. This town carries its past with pride and gentleness, and you can feel how deeply connected the people are to their traditions. Oberammergau isn't just a place you visit. It's a place that quietly tells you its story if you're willing to slow down and listen. And right now, walking here under the autumn sun, it feels like such a privilege to do just that. And just like that, our little walk through Oberammergau is slowly coming to an end. Thank you so much for walking with me today. Truly. Take care of yourself, be kind to your heart, and I'll see you very soon in the next video for another beautiful walk together.